start. Huh? Which letter it is?
E.
Very
Letter
good.
E.
Huh.
A.
Super. Next letter?
N.
Letter N. Wow.
Letter N.
Super.
Letter N.
Letter N. N makes the sound. Very good. Next. Which letter it is?
Letter H.
What is the sound of letter H? Super. Action. H letter action. Very good sound.
Letter yes.
Letter yes. Very good.
Grass.
Very good. Super.
C.
C.
C for k.
Letter C makes the sound ka ka ka.
Letter B.
Very good. Letter B.
Letter B for b b b.
Wow, super. Action.
Letter E.
Action. Letter B action.
B b b.
Very good. As if you are hitting the ball with a bat.
Letter E.
That is letter I. Letter I makes the sound. E, E, E. Into the mouth. Very good. Letter P.
P for p p p.
Super. Very good. Next.
K. K for k k.
Very good.
Next. A.
Very good. Letter E makes sound A. Next.
Now for letter N and letter E.
Okay. Letter I and N we have done. Very good. Then
E.
letter R. Letter R. Where is the card? Letter R card. Take out the letter R card. Where is the card? Letter R. Search for letter R. Search for letter R, baby.
R carded. Letter R carded.
Letter R makes the sound. Very good. Very good. Super. Okay.